Zion, your man, give me the split.
Me wake up, yeah, them open wide, but miss illusion on every side. Them dress up like in suit and tie, smile on TV, but me spirit cry. Them tell we freedom, but it come with leash. Them teach we peace while them rob we peace. Them promise heaven after death, while them poison earth with every breath. Me say, system a ghost, walk through wall. Invisible chain still make we crawl. But me soul is fire, roots is stone. No ghost can claim me throne. Them set the rules from cradle to grave, but Jah make kings who not be slave. From chalkboard lies to digital trap, them feed with fiction and call it fact. Me say, tear down the veil from your face. Truth not hide, it blaze every place. Every youth is warrior in wait. Unlock the gates, reject the bait. No app can map the mind of man. No drone can scan what Jah plan. Me chanting rhythm, me chanting code. Decode Babylon in overload. System is a ghost, them can't hold we. Spirit too wild, too free, too holy. We dance in chains till chain them crack. We chanting pain till truth fight back. System is a ghost, me walk right through. Them walls fall down when Jah come through. Me carry the light like torching star. Me born for rebel, me not conform. Me look pan sky, me look pan sea. All creation chant liberty. Bird can be caged, lion not tame. So why mankind live in shame? Them make we chase paper dream. Forget more likes on digital screen. But me say soul not swipe or scroll. Me chant fi elevate the whole. Them use screen fi hide we pain. Me use verse fi break the chain. Me use drum fi talk to sky. Me use bassline fi make truth fly. So if you're lost in concrete zone, listen deep, you're still not alone. My voice is candle in dark room. My word is seed that can't stop bloom. Roots deeper than what I can see. My DNA link tree to see. No barcode label, panja man. Me na scan, me overstand. System is a ghost, fade and flee. Me chant with sound of prophecy. From slum to hills, we raise the flame. Jah call me real, nah need no name. System is a ghost, but we alive. Real ones resist, real ones survive. So chant with me, make Babylon shake. Spirit rise up, soul awake. Ayayay, Rasta man smoke kaya. Me walk on ash where kingdom fall. The mighty wall now does me hear Jah call. The lion not sleep, him just silent feel long. Now him rise up with fire in a song. Me see throne of gold, melting sun, and truth rise up where them blood did run. Me not fear the shadow of Rome. Me build temple in the roots, me call it home. Them try bury we with concrete lie, but like seed we grow and multiply. Me chant from cave, me chant from field, with reading sharp like rebel shield. From the ashes of empire we rise, like phoenix chanting under blood red skies. Zion asleep, our heartbeat strong. We come with thunder, we come with song. From Babylon fire, truth still glow. Me people rise where the cold wind blow. No chain can hold what Jah design. In every verse we redefine. Them kings wear crown but them spirit hollow. Them follow ego, we follow the swallow. Bird know disease and the rhythm of change, while man build prison in mental range. Me say free up your mind, let it fly. Me not trust no flag or suit and tie. Me wear rags but me voice rich in gold. Me soul ancient, me song never old. System take culture and turn it trend. Sell we back what we create fi defend. But we not fool by marketing game. We fire still burn with ancestral flame. We sit in circle, beat the drum. Some man spirits where silence come. We not afraid of ruin or fall. Ashes is soil where great trees tall. Me vision deep like cave in earth, where prophecy dream a second birth. We now want revenge, we want return to sacred code. Babylon try burn, me say chant low when the cops pass by, but we chant loud in the heart and sky. Rebellion sweet when it come with grace. We not fight with hate, we elevate this space. Me reason with monk and man in street. Wisdom now live in degree receipt. Me rather a bowl of idle stew than banquet served by like crew. Them broadcast panic fi keep you small, but me hear freedom in waterfall. Nature whisper, child reclaim. Your spirit now born fi wear no chain. From the ashes of empire we rise. Me sight stars beyond city light lies. Zion now vanish, our code encrypted. Her voice still strong though long restricted. From ruin and rubble we build again. Not with brick but with paper and pen. Me lyrics like tool, me rhythm like knife. Cut through illusion, give truth life. So me say blaze it up, light it slow, let the herbs remind you what you know. Jah not sleep, him just step aside till the right time for truth to ride. From ruin, from dirt, from Babylon smoke, we build anew, we teach word spoke. Ashes can't stop what roots ignite. Zion echoes carry the fight.
Silence, you know. Let's go. Tough times, me rise through the pain. Me light the herb, me free the strain. Through the hardships, me find a way. Tough times, me rise every day. Me born in the struggle, me born in the fight. Me face the darkness, me seek the light. The road me walk, me face the heat. But me rise every day, me no accept defeat. Me light the herb, me find the peace. Me let the troubles, me let them cease. Through the trials, me face the storm. Me rise above, me feel the warm. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the flow. Me light the herb, me let the love grow. Through the struggle, me find the grace. Tough times, me rise in the race. Tough times, me rise through the pain. Me light the herb, me free the strain. Through the hardships, me find my way. Tough times, me rise every day. Me face the pressures, me face the trials, but me keep moving, me keep the smiles. Me rise through the storm, me rise through the heat. Me light the herb, me walk the street. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the plan. Me rise every day, me be the man. Through the struggles, me find the power. Me rise every day, me rise every hour. Tough times, me rise through the pain. Me like the herb, me free the strain. Through the hardships, me find my way. Tough times, me rise every day. Me rise above the struggle, me rise from the test. Me like the herb, me do my best. Through the tough times, me trust in Jah. Rise every day, me reach the stars. Seven roots, yeah, man. Let's go. Trust in Jah, me trust in the plan. Me rise every day, me be the man. Through the struggles, me find the power. Me rise every day, me rise every hour. Sign roots, yeah man. Sing the air, every day. Trust in Jah, me trust in the plan. Them sit pon throne, but throne a dust. Gold mask cover face full of lust. Them drink with sweat, them feed pon pain. But me a rebel in a Zion lane. Me come with rhythm, me come with fire. Me chant for the youth, me lift them higher. Me no want diamonds, me no want chain. Me want the people free from strain. Them sell illusion like holy bread, while innocent youth them end up dead. Them hand in glove with fear and war, but Jah light brighter than any star. Me read the wind, me hear the cry, from Congo hills to Kingston sky. Them try blind me, but me still see. Me eyes hold truth, me soul stay free. Thrones of illusion crumble down. Me voice shake walls, me chant wear crown. Me nah bow down to illusion king. Me rise with drums, me rise with swing. Truth arise in every street. Rebel heart still skip Babylon beat. Thrones of illusion soon go fall, and the people rise one and all. Me walk through cities with open eyes. Me see the hunger behind the skies. Them paint the pain in pretty art, while babies cry and families part. Them build them temple with tax. Them burn we hope with evil acts. But me chant loud from every hill. Me words a lie and me voice a will. Me nah no puppet in a them show. Me words like seeds, me plant and grow. Me see through system, me see the script. Me break the spell, me sink the ship. Me not just sing, me prophesy. Me speak for the ones who question why. Me chant for truth, me chant for light. Me chant till Babylon lose them fight. Thrones of illusion crumble down. Me voice shake walls, me chant wear crown. Me nah bow down to illusion king. Me rise with drums, me rise with swing. Truth arise in every street. Rebel heart still skip Babylon beat. Thrones of illusion soon go fall, and the people rise one and all. Them push the fear in every scroll, but Jah design still shape me soul. Them set the stage for mental chain, but me a break out, me can't be tamed. Me reason deep with stars and trees. Me spirit dance in Zion breeze. Me write this song for who can't sleep, for who dig deep and climb that steep. Zion roots. In the streets, we hear the cry, the voice of the people reaching the sky. Babylon falling, but we stand tall. We answer the call, one and all. Them try to silence we, but we rise with fire in our hearts. We see through the lies. Jaja guide us, Jaja see. In the name of truth, we are free. We no bound by chains, no bound by fear. We stand united, we're crystal clear. The time is now, the revolution's near. We rise as one, we persevere. Echoes of the revolution, hear the sound. We rise above, no longer bound. In Jah's name, we stand tall. Echoes of the revolution, we answer the call. Echoes of the revolution, hearts ignite. Together we stand, together we fight. In Jah's name, we find our way. Echoes of the revolution, lead the day. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. But through the storm, we break the chain. Them try to hold us down, but we climb. Rise from the ashes, we gon' shine. From the streets to the mountain top, we won't stop, we won't flop. We fight for justice, we fight for love. Guided by the stars and the light above. No more lies, no more deceit. We stand for truth, we stand for peace. The power of the people, it will rise. We stand united, we touch the skies. Echoes of the revolution, hear the sound. We rise above, no longer bound. In Jah's name, we stand tall. Echoes of the revolution, we answer the call. Echoes of the revolution, hearts ignite. Together we stand, together we fight. In Jah's name, we find our way. Echoes of the revolution, lead the day. Me hear the drums, me hear the chant. In the struggle, we make this stand. From the roots to the highest ground. Echoes of the revolution, we resound. Me see the future, me see the light. Warriors of Jah, we take the fight. We rise together, we rise as one. In the name of Jah, we overcome. Echoes of the revolution, hear the sound. We rise above, no longer bound. In Jah's name, we stand tall. Echoes of the revolution, we answer the call. Echoes of the revolution, hearts ignite. Together we stand, together we fight. In Jah's name, we find our way. Echoes of the revolution, lead the day. Echoes of the revolution, we go.
Zion roots. Zion roots. Me walk through fire, me nah get burned. System a trap at every turn. Them feed lies through flashy screen, but truth still live pure and clean. Them sell fear like market wear, while me chant for ones who care. Me nah bow, me spirit free. Me born for chant eternity. No gene can hold just sound. It break through walls, shake the ground. From city slum to mountain peak, Jah voice a speak, feed the meek. Them take the herb, call it crime, yet profit large every time. But me chant for justice real. Me nah sleep on Babylon Hill. Them right laws just for divide, while we rise with roots as guide. Me spirit blaze full of fight. In a darkness we delight. We nah made fi barcode tag. Me chant loud, me nah lag. Jah fire rise in the youth. Rebel soul, speak the truth. No chain can lock the chant. We too strong, we not recant. Me say truth louder than them sound, and Zion echoes all around.
Chain can lock the chant. We too strong, we not recant. Me say truth louder than them sound, and Zion echoes all around.
In silence on sacred ground, where no false word, only art sound. No city noise, no digital feed, just earth beneath an ancestral seed. Me nah rush, me nah run, me wait for the rising sun. Me chant and slow like wind through cane, calling the spirit back again. Me say rise up, oh sleeper deep. You've been numb, been sold, been cheap, but now the drums call back your name. The system rob you but not claim your flame. Return to roots, return to soul, return to fire them tried control. Return to heartbeat, natural time, where truth are rhythm and love a rhyme. Return to roots, hear the call before the Babylon tower fall. Return to yourself, deeper than deep, where Zion echoes never sleep. Me walk barefoot in the early dew, feeling every step like something new. Them say progress mean tower and light, but me say silence bring greater sight. Me sip from calabash of earth, me remember me spirit's worth. Them take we culture, remix the song, but the soul of Jah still stands strong. Me nah bow to image or trend, me nah live the likes that twist and bend. Me live the feeling that nah need screen, for the sound unseen and in between. Listen, you can't buy peace in store, you can't find truth in Babylon law. It come in breath, in chant, in tree, in every river that flow wild and free. Return my brethren, return my sistren, to the voice that now speak in CNN. It whisper in leaves, in fire, in stone, in meditation when you sit alone. The body feel rest, but the soul not sleep. It travel in vision, it travel deep. Them inject fear through needle and post, but Jah love wide like ocean coast. Them build towers, but them can't reach star. Them fly planes, but them not go far. Cause if your spirit bound in chain, you only fly in circle of pain.
at night. Watch the moon shine soft light. Me say, burn herb not fi escape, but fi see the truth in Babylon shape. Cause them disguise lie as progress move, but spirit know what them can prove. Where them call rebel, we call sage. Wisdom live beyond Babylon age. Return to roots, return to flow. The fire inside, let it grow. Return to heartbeat, echo clear. Zion not gone, it's always near. Return to roots and take your time. Tune your soul to ancient chime. In stillness you will hear the truth. Zion live in you from youth. Now follow flash, now follow show. Go where the silent rivers go. Seek the ground, seek the flame, and chant again your holy name.
Zion roots. In the silence, we hear the cry. The people are suffer, the system alive. We see the chains, we see the cold, but we rise together, brave and bold. We feel the winds, we feel the waves. We breaking free, no longer slaves. In the darkness, the light will shine. We rise as one, we cross the line. We see the strength in every face. We fight for truth, we fight for grace. The struggle is real, the path is long, but me hear the rhythm, me hear the song. Waves of freedom, rise up strong. Together we fight, together we belong. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. We rise as one, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, feel the breeze. Together we rise, together we seize. In the name of Jah, we find a way. We rise as one, we seize the day. We see the fire, we feel the heat. We rise as one, we won't retreat. The truth are burning, it lights the sky. In Jah's name, we will fly high. We see the children, we see the old. In unity we rise, we break the cold. We no fear, we no fall. Together we rise, we answer the call. We hear the voice of the righteous ones. The battle are calling, the fight has begun. We rise together, we move as one. In Jah's light, the victory's won. Waves of freedom, rise up strong. Together we fight, together we belong. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. We rise as one, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, feel the breeze. Together we rise, together we seize. In the name of Jah, we find the way. We rise as one, we seize the day. We hear the sound, we feel the beat. In every heart, the rhythm sweet. The caller come, the time is now. We rise as one, we make the vow. No more fear, no more lies. We rise above, we touch the skies. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. Together we rise, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, rise up strong. Together we fight, together we belong. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. We rise as one, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, feel the breeze. Together we rise, together we see. Zion roots. Me hear the whispers of the people cry. Them struggle in silence, them don't know why. Babylon's chains, them heavy to bear, but Jah-Jah's love is always there. They see the youth them falling apart, but in our hearts there's a sacred spark. The system
try to break me down, but we rise from the ashes, we claim the crown. Every step me take, every move me make, me feel the power, me feel the quake. The world a change, the world a burn, but we stand together, it's our turn. Rise up, stand strong, never look back. Together we rise, we on the right track. We fight for truth, we fight for light. We rise together, we ignite the night. Rise up, stand strong, don't let them win. We conquer fear, we conquer sin. In unity, we find the way. Rise up, stand strong, today's the day. Me see the struggle, me feel the fight, but me know just truth, me see the light. No more silence, no more pain. We rise together, break the chain. Me see the faces, me see the smiles. We carry the hope, we carry the miles. In every heart, in every soul, we rise in unity, we take control. The road me travel, it's long and wide, but me walk in a truth, me no hide. Me see the future, me see the dawn. Together we rise, we carry on. Rise up, stand strong, never look back. Together we rise, we on the right track. We fight for truth, we fight for light. We rise together, we ignite the night. Rise up, stand strong, don't let them win. We conquer fear, we conquer sin. In unity, we find the way. Rise up, stand strong, today's the day. Me hear the voices, loud and clear. In Jah's name, we have no fear. From the fire, we find the way. In unity, we rise and stay. Me feel the strength in every step, in every word, in every breath. We walk the path of righteousness. Me know we'll rise, me know we'll bless. From the east to the west, we all unite. We rise together, we hold the light. Me see the children, me see the old. Together we rise, we break the mold. Me see the change, me see the truth. We stand in love. Zion roots. Me walk through the streets of stone, where the heart a cry but the mouth alone. Silence heavy like Babylon crown, but me chant rise when the system frown. Me see the beggar, me see the priest, both a search for peace, both want release. Them sell illusion in the name of truth, poison the mind from youth to youth. Me not join no digital chain, me words still raw like righteous rain. Them distract with flash and fame, but me see the puppet, me know the game. Me burn the lies in every scroll, me not sign soul to them payroll. Me heart beat roots like Naya Bingi, me chant through smoke, me soul stay free. Fire inside the silence, light in a me chest. Jah are the teacher and me soul are the test. Them can't lock down what Jah ordain. Me rise from pressure like healing rain. Fire inside the silence, voice in a the wind. Truth are the weapon and love are me kin. Me see them play king with no soul inside. Empty eyes and empire pride. Them preach control from plastic throne, but me reason with trees and stone. Them say me lost cause me speak in chant, but me language all them can't. Me hear Zion echo in leaf and bird. Me voice no soft, it sharp like word. Me can't sit quiet when me people cry. Me voice a flame that light the sky. So me walk barefoot in Babylon town with roots and drum to burn it down. Me na want silver, me na want gold. Me want the youth them right sign. Fire inside the silence, light in a me chest. Jah a the teacher and me soul a the test. Them can't lock down what Jah ordain. Me rise from pressure like healing rain. Fire inside the silence, voice in a the wind. Truth a the weapon and love a me kin. Me sit with stars and reason long. Them whisper lyrics fi rebel song. Me see tomorrow in children's face, so me build rhythm. Zion roots. In the shadows, me see the lies. The system a try for blind our eyes, but we rise, me hear the call. Together we stand, we break the wall. We feel the heat, we feel the flame. The truth a burn, it's call our name. In the heart of the people, a fire ignite. We rise again, we find the light. Babylon crumble, the system fall, but just people rise above it all. Me see the chains, I break, the shackles gone. In Jah's name, we carry on. We rise above the lies. We open our eyes to the skies. In the name of Jah, we'll find a way. Together we rise, we seize the day. We rise above the lies. We know fear, we know disguise. In Jah's name, we'll break the chain. Together we rise, we feel no pain. Me see the light, me feel the strength. We go the distance, we go the length. No more silence, no more fear. The time is now, the truth is here. My system a try to divide the youth, but we stand as one, we speak the truth. Me see the struggle, me see the fight, but Jah's light a shine so bright. Me hear the rhythm of the earth, the sound. It call us higher, it bring us round. The hearts of the people beat as one. We rise together, the battle is won. We rise above the lies. We open our eyes to the skies. In the name of Jah, we find a way. Together we rise, we seize the day. We rise above the lies. We know fear, we know disguise. In Jah's name, we break the chain. Together we rise, we feel no pain. We feel the power in the people's voice. Together we stand, we make the choice. The time is now, the future clear. We stand in truth, we show no fear. We see the fire in the people's eyes. We fight for justice, we rise to the skies. No more division, no more shame. We rise as one, we call the name. We rise above the lies. We open our eyes to the skies. In the name of Jah, we find a way. Together we rise, we seize the day. We rise above the lies. We know fear, we know disguise. In Jah's name, we break the chain. Together we rise, we feel no pain. So we rise, we see the dawn. In Jah's light,
Zion roots.
out of the darkness, me see the light. Jah's mercy is shining so bright. Babylon crumble, the system's a lie, but we rise as one, we reach the sky. Me hear the whispers of the ones who fallen, but my heart beats loud and my spirit is calling. We won't be chained, we won't be broke. In the fire we rise, me words evoke. We no afraid, no more fear. In Jah's name, me know we near. The world may try to hold we down, but we rise again, we wear the crown. We rise of the free, we rise from the fight. We rise in the name of Jah, the eternal
Jah's love, no more shame. With fire in the heart and power in the soul, we rise as one, we take control. Me see the fire burning in the youth, me see the elders speaking the truth. We stand as warriors, strong and proud. No silence, no fear, we speak aloud. Me feel the rhythm in the earth's heartbeat, from the mountains high to the streets beneath. The system can't stop the sound we make. Me see the light, no more time to fake. Me hear the voices, the warriors rise. No more lies, no compromise. We march for justice, we march for peace. We fight for the people till the pain cease. We rise of the free, we rise from the fight. We rise in the name of Jah, the eternal light. We rise, the truth in we veins. Together we stand, break the chains. We rise of the free, through struggle and pain. We rise in Jah's love, no more shame. With fire in the heart and power in the soul, we rise as one, we take control. Me see the vision, me see the way. Me hear the call, me hear the say. In Jah's name, we walk the path. We rise above, no looking back. Them try to drown we in the sea of lies, but me see the truth in the people's eyes. The chains will fall, the walls will break. Together we rise, for Jah's sake. Me feel the power, me feel the soul. The earth beneath us, it makes us whole. From the ashes, Zion land rose, Zion lost sacred flames. Rise up to sacred flames, we won't back down. Beneath the moon, me walk the earth. In Jah's name, me find me words. Me hear the calling, the spirit awake. A fire ignites, no longer fake. Babylon's lies, they crumble and fall, but Jah's children rise, we stand tall. We hear the whispers of the ancient ones. Their wisdom guides, their light shines on. Through the valley, through the night, we rise again, we feel the light. From the shadows, me see the flame. A force of truth, we call Jah's name. Sacred flames, burning bright. We rise in peace, we rise in light. In the name of Jah, we find a way. Together we rise, together we pray. Sacred flames, we rise in power. Jah's light is shining, the finest hour. Together we stand, we take the crown. Rise up the sacred flames, we won't back down. The wind a blow, the rhythm a call. Together we rise, we break the wall. In the rhythm of the heart, we find the soul. No boundaries left, we take the whole. Me see the youth, me see the wise. Together we climb, we reach the skies. We hear the song of the land, the sea. A hymn of freedom, a sweet melody. In Jah's strength we take the lead. Every action, every word a seed. From the earth we rise as one. The battle is fought, the victory won. Sacred flames, burning bright. We rise in peace, we rise in light. The name of Jah, we find a way. Together we rise, together we pray. Sacred flames, we rise in power. Jah's light is shining, the finest hour. Together we stand, we take the crown. Rise up the sacred flames, we won't back down. So we stand, united strong. In the name of Jah, we belong. Sacred flames, burning true. Together we rise in light renewed. In Jah's name, we walk the path. Together we rise, together we last. Sacred flames, igniting the way. We rise together today and every day. Zion roots, in the storm, me rise alone. Jazz light guide me, me find my throne. Me step through the darkness, me no afraid. Me know jazz power will never fade. The winds are blow, but me stand tall. Me rise through the storm, me answer the call. Me see the world, me see the pain, but me know we'll rise, we'll break the chain. The truth I call, the time is near. We no longer hide, we no longer fear. We step forward, we step in grace. We rise together, we find the place. Rise through the storm, rise through the rain. Together we fight, together we break the chain. In the name of Jah, we find the way. We rise through the storm, we seize the day. Rise through the storm, rise through the night. In the light of Jah, we find the fight. Together we stand, together we see. Through the storm, we set the people free. Mo feel the heat, mo feel the flame. Me know we rising, we'll make a name. The battle are hard, the path is steep, but we rise in unity, we no retreat. The chains are heavy, the system cold, but me see the youth, me see the bold. Me hear the rhythm, me hear the drum. We rise together, me see the sun. Me feel the power, me feel the sound. We rise as one, no looking down. Through every trial, through every test, we rise through the storm, we give our best. Rise through the storm, rise through the rain. Together we fight, together we break the chain. In the name of Jah, we find the way. We rise through the storm, we seize the day. Rise through the storm, rise through the night. In the light of Jah, we find the fight. Together we stand, together we see. Through the storm, we set the people free. Me hear the call, me feel the breeze. We rise as one, we take the keys. The time are now, the change are near. Together we rise, we have no fear. We rise above, we rise in love. We look to Jah, we look above. The world a change, the battle strong, but together we rise, together we belong. Rise through the storm, rise through the rain. Together we fight, together we break the chain. In the name of Jah, we find the way. We rise through the storm, we seize the day. Rise through the storm, rise through the night. In the light of Jah, we find the fight. Together we stand, together we see. Through the storm, we set the people free. We rise through the storm, we rise as one. In the name of Jah, we've just begun. No turning back. Zion roots in the morning, hear the sound. Me light the herb, let the vibes go round. Step outside, me feel the breeze. Me rise with Jah, me live in peace. Island vibes, me feel the flow. Me light the herb, let the love grow. Through the struggles, me still find my way. Island vibes, me rise every day. Me born on the island, me born in the sun. Me light the herb, me on the run. Me walk the beaches, me climb the hills. Me trust in Jah, me free the will. The island life, it's sweet but tough. Me walk through the grind, me stay rough. Me face the hardships, me face the pain, but me rise from the struggle, me break the chain. Me light the herb, me let the smoke rise. Me trust in Jah, me reach for the skies. Me face the challenges, me face the test, but me trust in the vibes, me do me best. Island vibes, me feel the flow. Me light the herb, let the love grow. Through the struggles, me still find me way. Island vibes, me rise every day. Me no fear the hustle, me no fear the grind. Me trust in the spirit, me clear my mind. Me light the herb, me let it burn. Me rise through the struggle, me take me turn. Me rise above the pressure, me rise from the stress. The island life, me feel the bless. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with my sisters. Me trust in Jah, me rise as a mister. Me face the storms, me face the rains, but me rise above the struggles and pains. Me light the spliff, me clear my mind. Me rise every day, me leave the grind. Island vibes, me feel the flow. Me light the herb, let the love grow. Through the struggles, me still find me way. Island vibes, me rise every day. Rise from the island, me rise to the top. Me light the herb, me never stop. Trust in Jah, trust in the way. Island vibes, me rise every day.
Away, Zion rules. Oh yeah. We rise from the ashes, we feel the heat. Like the rising sun, we take the street. The world a turn, the system fall. We stand together, we hear the call. Me see the chains that Babylon try to bind, but we free our hearts, free our minds. Me see the future, me see the way. We rise in strength, we rise today. From the darkness we find the light. We conquer fear, we end the fight. Me hear the whispers, me see the signs. In Jah's name we draw the lines. Courage of the rising sun, we stand. We fight the system, hand in hand. No more lies, no more fall. We rise together, we hear the call. Courage of the rising sun, the truth so clear. We rise above the pain, rise above the fear. In unity, we walk as one. We rise as warriors, the battle's won. Me hear the sound of the people rise. Me see the fire burning in the skies. No more silence, no more doubt. We rise with power, we stand about. Me see the youths, them ready to fight. In Jah's name, we claim the right. Me feel the power, me feel the vibe. In unity, we thrive and survive. No more pain, no more strife. We take the power, we take the life. From the earth to the sky, we rise as one. In Jah's name, the work is done. Courage of the rising sun, we stand. We fight the system, hand in hand. No more lies, no more fall. We rise together, we hear the call. Courage of the rising sun, the truth so clear. We rise above the pain, rise above the fear. In unity, we walk as one. We rise as warriors, the battle's won. Me feel the power in the rhythm and beat. In every heart, the warriors meet. We no go hide, we no retreat. In the name of love, we rise on the street. Me hear the drums, me hear the sound. The truths I rise from the underground. Together we stand, together we fight. In Jah's name, we claim the right. Me see the chains that Babylon try to make, but we break them all, we rise from the wake. Me feel the thunder, Zion roots. time I know the revolution come. Jaja guide us, we overcome. We no fear the struggle, we no fear the pain. Through every storm, through every rain, we fight for justice, we fight for peace. We rise as one and never cease. We're warriors of light, we're born to rise. We fight for truth, we fight for the skies. In the name of Jah, we stand so bold. Warriors of light, the story unfold. We're warriors of light, no more disguise. We rise for the truth, we open the eyes. In the name of Jah, we make our stand. Warriors of light, together we band. The chains are rattle, the lies are speak, but me see the power in the people weak. We rise together, we rise as one. The battle a fight, but the victory's won. Me feel the rhythm, me feel the sound. We march together, we stand our ground. The time I know, we break the chains. The power of the people, no more pains. Me see the youth, me see the old. Together we rise, together we bold. The power in unity, the power in light. Warriors of Jah, we fight the fight. We're warriors of light, we born to rise. We fight for truth, we fight for the skies. In the name of Jah, we stand so bold. Warriors of light, the story unfold. We're warriors of light, no more disguise. We rise for the truth, we open the eyes. In the name of Jah, we make our stand. Warriors of light, together we band. Me hear the drums, me hear the call. We rise as one, no matter the fall. In Jah's name, we stand so tall. Warriors of light, we answer the call. Me see the angels, me see the flame. We rise together, we call Jah's name. Through every trial, through every test, we rise as one, we give our best. Zion roots. In the dark, we find the light. Babylon crumble, but we rise in a fight. Them a try to break with spirit, to steal our soul, but we stand firm, we never lose control. Me see the truth, me hear the call. In the silence, we rise above it all. We won't be bound by fear or lies. We rise again, reaching the skies. Them try to bind we with the chains of time, but our souls are free, our hearts sublime. We rise from the ashes, the fire burn bright. Jaja guide we through the night. We rise through the darkness, we rise through the pain. In Jah's name, we go and break the chain. Rising through the darkness, we find our way. In the light of Jah, we rise today. We rise through the darkness, through all the trials. We fight for the truth, we march for the miles. In the name of Jah, we stand strong. Rising through the darkness, we belong. Me feel the fire, me feel the flame. We rise above the hate, we rise above the shame. Them try to silence we, but we louder now. In Jah's name, we make the vow. We rise as one, no more division. In the face of Babylon, we make our decision. No more falling, no more fear. Rising through the darkness, Jah is near. Me see the people, me hear the sound. Together we rise, standing on solid ground. In the rhythm of the heart, we march as one. Rising through the darkness till the battle is done. We rise through the darkness, we rise through the pain. In Jah's name, we go and break the chain. Rising through the darkness, we find our way. In the light of Jah, we rise today. We rise through the darkness, through all the trials. We fight for the truth, we march for the miles. In the name of Jah, we stand strong. Rising through the darkness, we belong.
for the people, we stand in this. We rise through the darkness, we rise through the pain. In Jah's name, we gon' break the chain. Rising through the darkness, we find our way. In the light of Jah, we rise today. We rise through the darkness, through all the trials. We fight for the truth, we march for the miles. In the name of Jah, we stand strong. Rising through the Zion roots, Zion roots. Me see the thunder roll across the sky. Me hear the people call, the righteous cry. Babylon trembles, them start to hide, but the power of the people can't be denied. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain, but the truth arise like the pouring rain. Me see the fire, me see the light. The people arise, ready to fight. From the hills to the plains, from the sea to the shore, we unite as one, we chant for more. No more chains, no more lies. We rise as one, we reach the skies. Wonder of the people, hear the sound. We rise together, we stand our ground. The earth a shake, the sky a burn. The power of the people, it will return. Thunder of the people, feel the might. We break the chains, we rise upright. In unity, we stand tall. Me hear the thunder, we answer the call. Me see the flames arise in the distance. Me hear the drums beat with persistence. The people unite, no more division. We rise in power, we rise in vision. Jah Jah lead we, me feel the call. Me see the future, we gonna stand tall. No more suffering, no more pain. We rise together, we break the chain. The thunder a roar, me hear the sound. The truth a spread, it all around. In the name of justice, in the name of peace, we rise as one, our hearts release. Thunder of the people, hear the sound. We rise together, we stand our ground. The earth a shake, the sky a burn. The power of the people, it will return. Thunder of the people, feel the might. We break the chains, we rise upright. In unity, we stand tall. Me hear the thunder, we answer the call. We not go bow, we not go bend. Me know the people's power never end. From the fire, from the storm, the thunder of the people, it will transform. Me see the light shining through the dark. Me hear the sound, me feel the spark. We rise with purpose, we rise with might. Me hear the thunder, it's a call to fight. The people's power, it cannot fall. We rise in unity. Hey, Zion roots, Zion roots when the ballad they carry on. Whoa. We walk the path, we stand up strong. In the name of Jah, we chant the song. The world I turn, but we won't be moved. In the light of truth, we find the groove. Me see the shadows, me see the lights, but Jah's love a shine in our the skies. We rise above the storm and strife. Warriors of the light, we bring the light. The chains can't bind us, the walls can't hold. We stand in unity, we stand so bold. Me hear the call, me feel the flame. In Jah's name, we rise, we claim. We are warriors, warriors of the light. We rise in strength, we rise in might. No more chains, no more fear. In Jah's name, we draw the near. We are warriors, warriors so free. We stand together, we let the truth be. In the battle, we find a way. We rise together, we rise today. Me see the battle, me see the fight, but me know the truth, me know the light. Jaja's power is in our soul. We rise together, we make the whole. No more Babylon, no more lies. We rise in love, we rise in the skies. Me feel the fire, me feel the heat. Warriors of the light, me see the beat. We no go falter, we no go back. We stand together on the right track. Me see the future, me see the way. Warriors of the light, we here to stay. We are warriors, warriors of the light. We rise in strength, we rise in might. No more chains, no more fear. In Jah's name, we draw the near. We are warriors, warriors so free. We stand together, we let the truth be. In the battle, we find the way. We rise together, we rise today. Me see the war, me see the pain, but the power of Jah, it breaks the chain. No more darkness, no more fear. Me hear the people, me hear the cheer. We rise in unity, we rise as one. In the name of love, the battle's won. We stand together, strong and true. Warriors of the light, we breaking through. We walk the path, we feel the fire. We rise up high, we feel